Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are all well. So as previously you all really enjoyed when I did my H&M spring haul, and I've kind of done a similar order because I am just so completely obsessed with H&M at the moment. It's just so good. I've never shopped in H&M like religiously as how I am now. I used to look at Zara like religiously. I'd always look at Zara, but now I'm really directed more towards H&M. So yeah, so I thought I would do a H&M unboxing with you guys and show you the dresses that I really loved, try them on, show you my opinion and how I would style them. So I hope you enjoy this video. So first up, I am actually wearing the first dress. Now this is a really pretty, I'll take my outfit styling pieces off. It's a really pretty smock dress. I'm going to leave like an IGTV here. But it's a really pretty dress, and what I love the most about it is that they've very thoughtfully put a little clasp here so it holds it in, which is amazing. However, it is, sorry, the light's really bad in here. However, it is so gorgeous as I'm showing you here. It looks really pretty. But yeah, it's really pretty. It's got loads of layers on the bottom, so it like really puffs up. I'm just getting my shoes off. And then I have paired it with these H&M gold sandals. Really cute, really affordable. I think these were only £10, £10 to £15, and they are so comfortable. These are amazing. I just saw them and thought these would be a really good key item to have in your wardrobe, especially whilst you're at home and you want something to sling on. Summer again, sandals are so essential for the summer. So I really love these shoes. They're just so comfortable. They're really comfortable. And then I have paired it with my Chloe bag. This is a Chloe C Clutch bag, and it's actually in a dark brown. I haven't seen this. I think they might have discontinued it, but it's in a really nice chocolate brown and then a really nice gold chain. Really lovely. I got it at around Christmas time, so if I do find it I will let you know. But I have my eye on the other Chloe bag, the black one with a hand holder, which I'm so obsessed with. So I think that might be my next purchase. I just adore Chloe, the brand. As you know, I have my Chloe alphabet ring as well. But yes, I really love this outfit. I really love the detail. I really love the quality, and I just love everything about it. It's really pretty. It's got these gorgeous buttons here. I just love the style of it. You can just wear it up, dress it up or dress it down. Really good piece to have in your wardrobe for the summer, like if you live in England or you're going on holiday. Hopefully we can go on holiday soon. Just a really lovely piece, really flattering because it's that really nice like smock, and I just think it's such a sweet dress to have, and it's really affordable as well, and also it goes to the knee so it's not too short. But yeah, this is how I would style it, just like a really easy throw on dress, but it looks so put together and just lovely, and it's super comfy. So yeah, I thought I would show you this because it's really sweet. So my next outfit is this gorgeous pinstripe blue dress. Now I already have a dress from H&M already, and it is in a shirt version, but this is a bit more casual, really sweet. This is a little bit more casual, really sweet, and I just love the style of it. Such a like a beach dress vibe, and it also comes in a yellow, which I'm really annoyed about, is because it instantly sold out completely, but it's such a pretty dress. Obviously I'll leave an IGTV here, and it's just really comfy. Just again a really nice easy chuck on dress, and I love the cinched in cuffs at here, then a really nice detail at the front, and then again it tears down, which is really lovely, like a really nice smock dress. I have worn nude underwear and you cannot see it. I did try it on the other day, this dress, and because it came in a different parcel, and I had black underwear on and you can see it. So it's a teeny weeny bit see-through, but it is okay, and to be fair, in the summer like no one really cares anyway. And I also paired it with my Prada sunglasses. These are my absolute favourite as well. I think these are my favourite because it doesn't have the metal nose thing here, so it doesn't get caught in your hair. They're just really comfortable, really flattering as well. I just love the love the shape of these sunglasses. I think they're really cute. This colourway has discontinued. These are Prada, but I have left a link of different styles that I love. They've got a tortoise colourway in these sunglasses, and I'm completely obsessed. So yeah, so this is how I've styled it. I have actually styled it with my Gucci disco bag just to make it a bit more streetwear instead of a beachwear outfit, and I think it looks quite cute, especially with matches with my sunglasses. Yeah, and I just think it makes it just a bit more of like streetwear attire. And then I paired it with my new trainers, which are the Adidas. I don't actually know which ones these are, but they were similar to my Adidas Supercourt trainers, however have discontinued the colourway. However, I actually think these are a lot nicer, really nice and a bit more smart. And these are only £40. I was looking to invest into some Alexandra McQueen's just because I love the style of them, but however these popped up and I am absolutely obsessed. I think they're just so easy, £40, and I have got them a tiny bit dirty anyway, so they're only about £40, which is amazing. But yeah, a pair of these are just so ideal to have in your summer wardrobe, every wardrobe really, and these are like an off-white cream, which makes them a lot more cooler. I think they're really sweet, similar to the Veja ones as well. I'll leave the Veja trainers down below, which are really nice. But yeah, I love these, true to size, and £40, so really good. And again, I've paired it with this outfit because then it makes it a bit more streetwear. However, you could pair this with a pair of sandals. I do have a very lovely gift from me to me on the way, a pair of sandals that I'm so excited for and have been dying to get my hands on them, and I kind of just bit the bullet and I purchased them. So they would have looked really nice with this outfit. However, I have not received them yet. But yeah, so this would be a really nice outfit to have on holiday or just in the summer, just in England anyway, with some sandals, lots of like gold chains, bronzed makeup, loads of dangly earrings, and I think that'll look really pretty in such like a boho vibe. But again, H&M, really incredible quality. I love the pinstripe. Love that kind of like dotted, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it comes up really nicely. But yeah, I'm really obsessed with this dress. Okay, this is, I'm not too sure, I'm not 100% sure. I love it, but at the same time, do I look like I'm in my nan's dressing, a night dress? It's beautiful. I love the crochet of it. It's a little bit too big for me. I don't know what actual size. I got an extra small and I really love it. It's a really nice like crochet maxi dress with these gorgeous, look at that detail, it's absolutely stunning. Really cool dress. I don't know if this is, I'm not too sure. My mum literally just saw it and just was like, I need that dress. It is absolutely stunning. So I paired it as I would have been going down to the beach. Again, I've just paired it with these really nice gold sandals. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and I've just created a like boho beach vibe. I also paired it with this hat. I love this hat. I was really gutted I didn't get hold of the white version, but I think I'm just going to buy a white scarf and just put it through. But it's a really nice hat. It's a really pretty, elegant hat. Hats are always essential in the summer, wherever you are, especially blondies. If you've just had your hair dyed, please wear a hat because it lifts the colour a bit more, so keep your hair protected, ladies, or gents if you dye your hair as well. Just some recommendations from my mother, who's a hairdresser. So yeah, so hats are essential for the summer. I love a hat. I do have one from Zara and it's got all these gorgeous shells from Zara, but this one was only I think £12. Really lovely shape as well. Now I keep looking at it, I think love this hat. It's really pretty. The scarf going down is a really nice detail, so I think that's just really sweet. Really like Ibiza Old Town vibes. I just think it's really fun and it goes really nicely with my jewellery I'm wearing today. I'm wearing all jewellery from Daisy Jewellery. It's got all these beautiful body sculptures. This is from the Vita collection. And yeah, and then I also paired it with my Chloe bag. I just think that looks really nice. Obviously pairs really nicely with the brown in the shoes and the brown in the hat. I just think that looks really pretty. And then again with my rectangle Ray-Ban sunglasses. But yeah, no, love this. It's beautiful. I'm so obsessed with it. And obviously I'll leave the IGTV clips alongside of it, but it's so beautiful. Imagine going to the airport in this, or just going somewhere in England and going for a really nice walk or going for a really nice picnic. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, so we are on to the last look and I am so obsessed with this dress. I think this is the perfect dress everyone should have in their wardrobe. It's the loveliest little black dress. I believe it's like a linen. It's got like a bit of linen in it. Most of it's not linen, but it's such a lovely dress. This is absolutely stunning. It's got like a really nice slip dress. Where's it go? Oh, it's all the way in. It's got a really nice little under petticoat, which is just sewed all the way in, so I didn't even realise it was on, and it's just really lovely, really comfortable. I love the sleeves, I love the length. This is a very me length dress. Sorry, my floorboards are very creaky. And it's just a really nice drop down smock dress. I think this is really pretty. Perfect for summer, perfect for going on holidays, perfect for just wearing around the house. I literally just want to wear this every day because it's just so comfortable. Covers me up, don't feel uncomfortable how short it is. Comes down here really nicely and it just stops here, so you can still see my necklace really lovely, but it doesn't show off my boobs, and that's something that I am personally just self-conscious of. Today I did style it. I just wanted to show you these heels that I got from H&M. I think they're so sweet. I had a little bit of struggle trying to lace them up. I didn't know actually how to lace them up, but I did find the way. Really pretty. Look at that heel as well. That is nothing. Really comfortable heel. So these are like so good to have in your wardrobe for the summer. Take these on holiday as well. I'm not a massive heel person for holidays, but just that little heel is just so elegant, and it will just elongate your legs. And I'm a big fan of the lace around legs. I think that ballet kind of lace around your ankle is really pretty, so I love these. I believe these were only like £20. I'm so completely obsessed with them. Love the colour as well, like a really nice off-white cream, just a perfect heel. Obviously with this current situation we aren't allowed to go out and have these lovely occasions that we all had planned for the summer. However, these are really good to have invested into your wardrobe, because that's the heel I want to go clubbing in. I don't want to go, like, all my heels are like this long. I always get in so much pain, so I want to get these in black as well. I will leave the black version down below. Really comfortable, really pretty, really flattering. And yeah, can't say much more about them. Really good for a wedding, in the garden, like a really nice heel for a garden party as well. So yeah, so I did pair it with this. However, I haven't styled it with all black accessories, so I probably would wear the black version with this all black accessory look. Again, I've paired it with my Gucci disco bag and my Ray-Ban rectangle sunglasses, but I guess these make it a little bit more day wear. But yeah, no, absolutely obsessed with the dress, and again, like on the IGTV, it's just so pretty, really flattering, really comfortable as well. I'm not a massive fan of tight outfits, so this is a very me dress. I got it in a size 6, and yeah, I think it was only around £30 mark, and it's just really comfy and the perfect item to have for holidays. I am completely obsessed with this dress, so this is a definite keep for me. So guys, that is it. This is my quick H&M spring summer dress haul. Let me know which one was your favourite, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked down below like I said. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're all safe, and I'll see you later.